So, hello guys! May story tayo. The main character's story. Si Bacon? Anong ginagawa niya dito? Kamukha ko siya guys. Sa tingin niyo, kamukha ko. Si Disney. Kaibigan niya ata yan. Or si Ashley Britney. Magkakamukha silang tatlo. Oh, tignan niyo. Tignan mo kasi. Magkakamukha sila. Ayan oh. Ayan o, ang pangalan nito, si Bacon. Si Destiny, paano i-pronounce yung pangalan niya? And Ashley and Britney. Tara na. Where are my books? Hanapin mo kasi, hindi ba maling mata mo? Iwanan ko na kayo. Found them. Yung pala, hinahanap mo na pala eh. Ba't walang nalabas sa title? Look at this nerd. Ouch! Ay, naku, masama talaga kayo. Mga bully kayo eh. Tignan niyo kung ano ginawa mo. Ay, mga ba't talaga kayo? Hindi kayo manayin sa buhay niyo. Ay, tulungan nga kita. Tumiyo ka dyan. Lumakabad ka. Next. Tangkad ko doon. Sabi niya, she noticed you. Are you okay? Not really. I saw what happened. Should I tell the principal? You would do that for me. Thank you. No worries. I'll see you later, Bacon. Bye. Oh, Bacon and go to the principal order. Galag ako. Can I help you? I saw a few girls pushing another girl. Can you be specific? Their names are Britney and Disney and Ashley. Okay, for telling me. Okay, asa tayo. Oh, did you tell the principal? Yes, I think he might be helped. Thank you so much. You're the best. Whoa, stop right there. I heard that you and that are... Yeah, why do you hate her so much? She's ugly to look at. She doesn't belong here. But she did nothing to you. Whatever, leave me alone. I have my reason. Duh. Psst. Come through here. I want to tell you something. What? Why are we in here? I have exciting news to tell you. What is it? I hear the bullies are getting expelled. What? No way! That's awesome! Yes. And all thanks to you. You are the greatest friend. Okay. Don't judge people by their looks. Judge by their personality. Ayun lang po. Bye-bye!